Welcome to the Faroe Islands. The Faroe Islands are a small cluster of 18 mountainous islands in the middle of the North Atlantic, halfway between Iceland and Scotland. My good friend from Iceland, Paul Joko, and myself have been doing photography tours and workshops in the Faroe Islands for several years now, and in 2023 we are going back. This photo workshop in the Faroe Islands includes both photo and video tutoring and of course visiting the most magical locations on the islands. In 7 days you can get to know the islands and enjoy their rugged landscapes, tiny villages, towering mountains and deep fjords. The beauty of this workshop is that it is limited to a small group of 6 participants maximum. So it will be a very private and custom experience with plenty of time in all of these amazing locations to take in the sights, enjoy the elements and capture the beauty of this country. The weather in the Faroe Islands is dynamic all year round. You can have snow, rain, sunshine, strong winds, all in one day pretty much. In April we are transitioning from winter to spring, and the beauty of running a photo tour with a small group is that we can adapt to the weather and revisit certain spots without any rush. We will take it slow, and this way we can ensure that you get a brilliant experience discovering the Faroe Islands together with us. So now is the time to book your ticket to the Faroe Islands. Let us pick you up at the airport and comfortably drive you around the country, showing you the best this rough diamond in the North Atlantic has to offer. We can guarantee you that you will end up with tons and tons of beautiful images from the Faroe Islands to take home, and on top of that, amazing memories of a great trip in the Faroe Islands. If you're interested in booking this tour, head over to our websites. Links will be in the description below. If you have any questions or want more information, you can find us on social media or just write us an email. And yeah, Paul and I are ready for you. We are looking forward to see you in the Faroe Islands in April 2023. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.